All right. Hi everyone. Thursday live, as I always try and do. Sorry I missed out last week, but very hectic. Went away racing. I'll talk a little bit about that, but for the races that were there, the 7 races, Chris Matheson, Jay Upton, Les Holden, Gavin Spann, myself, Jim Barchett, we had a good time. So that was the main thing. The racers had a good time, and racing's for racing, not talking. Look, I just wanted to talk to you about these 2 bikes, or 4 bikes, but believe it or not, one owner owns these 2 and one owner owns those 2. They're cool guys to me. They're liking motorbikes and they can't decide which ones. These ones are both boosted. The owner did a really good job. Dale, you did a really good job on these bikes. We finalised them, finished them off, got control of the fuel, put them on the APL climate control dyno room in there. We fitted a Twin-Tech ECU to this. You see a lot of supercharged and turbo bikes around Sydney and all over the place. They blow fuel everywhere. You'll see fuel on the tyres. Not at APL, won't accept it. We go for accurate AFRs. The Twin-Tech is the most amazing thing for tuning these bikes. The Carburetor bike, that's a Carburetor boosted Pro Charger bike. I've been fitting Pro Chargers in the Australian distributor for near 15 years now, so we do a lot of them. We fix them up, we make them right. They come to us from all over Australia. We love doing them, we love servicing. These are going down south, so they'll end up on a truck tomorrow. And thanks Dale, you're a legend. Another couple of bikes here, of course, my favourites, the R1. Love these R1s. This will go in for an APL service, which is a bit more involved than the normal dealer service. We have a racing division here, so we'll be doing a couple more things with this bike. It'll go on the dyno in the climate control dyno room. It'll be a beautiful bike. It's got the Acropovic pipes on them. They sound amazing. They're amazing, these R1s. It's not about going for power. It's also about going for smoothness and an electric throttle. So we're really good at setting these up. I really like this bike. I can't wait to ride it. We'll have it in the dyno today, possibly. And also a breakout. How cool is that? Same owner owns 2 bikes. What a legend. And you couldn't have 2 better bikes if you ask me. A Harley breakout and a R1. Life's good if you own 2 bikes. So look, with racing was good, and thanks for coming out. We had about 25, 30 breakouts in the pits. We organised the track told me it was about, that's my son Ashton, the track told me there was over 500 bikes that we contributed. So thanks to everyone riding out to Sydney Dragway. It was an awesome meeting for the racers. I'm really pumped about the car guys and everyone that liked Nitro Bikes. Nitro Bikes is on the way up in Australia. It's getting recognised as positive people and really exciting racing. Thanks very much for everyone. Follow us on social media. Look at the products we sell and endorse, and stay in touch and tell your friends, and thanks very much. Have a long, good, safe weekend. Don't ride too fast. Go out and hit the mountains, go out and hit places where people aren't, and enjoy yourself.